Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale, located in the tranquil community of Richpen, St. Elizabeth. Richpen is a lovely and peaceful community. This house is spacious and uniquely built with 14 feet ceilings, sunken living room, fully grilled for added security, laundry room, kitchen and dining. The floor space of this house is 4,000 square feet and the lot size is 0.25 acres. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $129.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys. The